The word journey, it just seems to appear everywhere. But I think with a lot of things, and particularly in our area, a journey means that you kind of know where you are to start and you know where you're going. It seems in the shared service centre world, this word journey, and there are other words, but this is the one that really just irritates me. People are going on a journey and they don't actually really know where they're going. Because like I said earlier, you'll have all these podcasts and webinars about what is excellence. Well, if you don't know what it is, then you can't really go on a journey because you don't know where you're going, right? So it just kind of really is a representation of how lazy management have got or people have got, because they just keep trotting out these same words. That we're going on a journey. That's one. Leveraging thing is another one that's also particularly irritating. There are 48 synonyms for the word journey. Please have a look. Try something different. Go on an odyssey. Go on a voyage. Go on a trip. Go on an adventure. Right?
Exactly.
Don't keep going on a journey. And then I think when you start to think about the management speak, the terminologies that you use, it actually just kind of shakes up your thinking. It's getting out of the box, if you like. Don't keep having journeys. There are 47 other things that you can do. Same thing, but just think differently, right? So it's just got stale and tired, and to me it's just got irritating.